Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to read the comments on YouTube videos when you're watching them on the TV application. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you can now read the comments on the YouTube videos when you're watching on your TV, and it's very easy to do so. Now let's choose a YouTube video. Let's choose this one from Solving the Money Problem. Now once we get past the advertisement, we can go to skip here and we get to the video. I'm going to press the pause button and I'm going to go up to where it says like the description, and I'm going to choose this. And then if I go to the right, we can see the comments section under here now. And here are the comments. It says open the YouTube mobile app to add a comment and reply, but we can read all the different comments from people under here. So we can even see the comments under the replies. So let's go to the first option right here and then go down. You can read the entire comment by scrolling through this, and then you can scroll through the entire comment, and then you can go to the replies and start reading these as well. You can even leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down or flag the comment. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.